How to join a private FPL league. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can join a private fantasy premier league. So let's get started. First, open up your FPL, that is your premier league, and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to the fantasy section of your account. You can find it on the bottom here. And after you're here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the leagues and cups section. So after you're here, make sure that you're on the leagues tab, not the cups tab. And after you're here, simply tap on join leagues. After you tap on join league, you'll get two options. First is a private, the second is a public one. So for the private, you'll need to be here. And you will actually need to get the league code provided by the league admin. So make sure that you have the code which you can enter here. So it's normally a 6-digit code, a combination of numbers and letters. So simply tap on join league after you type that in and you should be able to join that league. And it's basically that simple, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.